A very nice welcome to the Wandering Chemistry from Wandering Chemistry, and these all videos are promoted and financed by Fashionable Film City Bollywood movie developers. And today's topic is in Wandering Chemistry is learning of the carbon group of elements. So let's see the carbon group elements. Group 4A occupies the central part of the periodic table. It consists of 9 elements divided into 4A, 4B subgroups. Carbon is the first group. Carbon is the first member of group 4A. Hence, all elements of these subgroups are called elements of the carbon family. All are p block elements, that is Ns2 Np2 with electronic configuration. In this group, the difference between the two subgroups are pronounced than in other groups. 4. A subgroup consists of normal elements carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Carbon and silicons are typical elements of the group. Silicons may be regarded as the bridge elements as it shows similarities both with titanium and germanium. Now we see the elements in this group. Carbon, its atomic number is 6 and electronic configuration He 2s2 2p2, and atomic radius is 0.77 angstrom. Ionization potential is 11.3 electron volt. Electronegativity is 2.5. Melting point in degrees Celsius 3727 degrees Celsius, and oxidation number is +2, 4. Next element silicon, atomic number 14 and configuration is Ne. It means that you have to take the configuration up to Ne, and then Ne 3s2 3p2, atomic radius 1.11, ionization potential 8.2 electron volt, electronegativity 1.8, melting point 1410 degrees Celsius, oxidation state +2, 4. Next element germanium Ge, atomic number 32, configuration Ar 3d10 4s2 4p2, atomic radius 1.22 angstrom, ionization potential 8.1 electron volt, electronegativity 1.8, melting point 937.5 degrees Celsius, oxidation number +2, 4. Next element is Sn, tin, with atomic number 50 and its configuration Kr 4d10 5s2 5p2, atomic radius 1.41 angstrom, ionization potential 7.3 electron volt, electronegativity 1.8, and melting point is 231.8 degrees Celsius, and oxidation state +2, 4. Next Pb, atomic number 82, configuration Xe 4f14 5d10 6s2 6p2, atomic radius 1.4 angstrom, ionization potential 7.4 electron volt, electronegativity 1.8, melting point 27.4 degree Celsius, oxidation state +2, 4. So see first, these are the some properties of these elements. Now we see its electronic structure. All have 4 electrons, that is ns2 and p2 in their outermost shell, and thus exhibit the typical group valency of 4. Second nature, carbon and silicon are non-metals. Germanium is a metallic in nature, while tin and lead are metals. Carbon and silicon are electronegative, while tin and lead are electropositive. Next property is allotropy. They all exhibit allotropy. Carbon occurs in 2 crystalline forms, diamond and graphite, and in several amorphous forms, coal, coke, charcoal, etc. Silicon occurs in crystalline and amorphous forms. Germanium in 2 crystalline forms. Tin occurs in 3 allotropic forms, grey tin, white tin, and rhomic tin. Next, valency. All are tetravalent elements. They do not normally form M2+ ions, as their ionization potentials are very high. They also do not form M-4 ions, as they possess low electronegativity. They show a covalency of 4 by acquiring sp3 hybridization, resulting in a tetrahedral structure. Near electronegativity. The electronegativity value does not show a regular gradation. Ionization potential. They show high ionization potential. The value decreases gradually with the rise in atomic number. Next, atomic volume. The values for atomic volume increases gradually. Next, inert pair effect. The inert pair effect shows itself increasingly in the heavier members of the group. There is a decrease in the stability of the +4 oxidation state and an increase in the stability of the +2 state on descending the group. Thus, Ge oxidation state +2 exhibit as a strong reducing agent, and Ge oxidation state +4 is stable. Sn oxidation state +2 and Pb oxidation state +2 are ionic and stable, but Sn +4 oxidation state +4 and Pb oxidation state +4 are covalent. The lower valencies are more ionic because radius of M2+ is greater than M2+4, and according to Fajans rule, the smaller the ion, the greater the tendency to covalency. Next, formation of complexes. The tendency of an element to form complexes is favored by high charge, a small size of its atom, and the availability of empty orbitals of suitable energy. Carbon is in the second period and has a maximum of 8 electrons in its outer shell. It resembles like that of the inert gas. Carbon compounds are stable and carbon does not form any complexes. In the tetracovalent compounds of subsequent element, there is an availability of empty d orbitals. These can therefore form complexes and therefore increase their coordination number from 4 to 6. For example, SiF sub 4 plus 2F sub minus equals to open bracket SiF sub 6 close bracket sub minus 2. Similarly, SnCl sub 4 plus 2Cl sub minus equals to open bracket SnCl sub 6 sub close bracket sub minus 2. Next, hydrides. All these elements form covalent hydrides. Carbon forms a number of hydrides. Silicon and germanium only a limited numbers, whereas tin and lead form only SiH sub 4 and PbH sub 4. Thus, the tendency of hydride formation decreases from carbon to lead. Next, halides. All these elements form covalent tetrachloride, which are liquids at ordinary temperature. Example: CCl sub 4, SiCl sub 4, GeCl sub 4, SnCl sub 4 and PbCl sub 4. The case of hydrolysis increases from CCl sub 4 to PbCl sub 4. Next is oxide. They all form oxide M sub O2. For example, CO sub 2, Si sub 2, GeO sub 2, SnO sub 2, and PbO sub 2, CO sub 2, and SiO sub 2 are acidic. GeO sub 2 weakly acidic, and SnO sub 2 and PbO sub 2 are amphoteric. Density, it increases from carbon to lead. Alkyl formation. All form tetra alkyls. Example, silicon tetraethyl, Si open braces C sub 2 H sub 5 close braces sub 4, and lead tetraethyl, Pb open braces C sub 2 H sub 5 close braces sub 4. Net catenation property. The combination between the atoms of the element is known as catenation property. This property decreases from carbon to lead. Next, nitrites. All form nitrite. Cyanogen C sub 2 N sub 2 is a highly poisonous gas. Si sub 3 N sub 4, Ge sub 3 N sub 4, and Sn 2 sub N sub 4 are solid and stable compounds.